Hyderabad, as the BJP candidate Madhvi Lata has spoken exclusively to Times Now over the checking of voter IDs, with Madhvi Lata hitting out at the AIMIM chief Sadruddin Owaisi, asking why should religion be brought into this, saying even Hindu women are asked for their ID cards. Why make it about religion?
See, the first thing I would want to say that the Parda women, typically we are a Hindu women. We have never showed any kind of resistance in showing the face, getting checked up with ID and then voting. Because North India, there are a lot of predominant women still who follow the Parda culture. But they never resisted to it. That's the reason there was no issue out of that at all. The issue in none of our religious institutions, nor any of us from BJP have supported that they should not show the face. That's the reason the Parda story is not becoming so rampant or so famous anywhere, any area. But when it comes to the Parda, the burqa, the whole issue is not with the women who are wearing the burqa. Even they would also want at the same time to get it checked and go, because they do not want to violate any rule and regulations of Election Commission. It is the leaders who are from a specific parties. It could be like Congress, it could be like AIMIM. These are the people who would want to make an issue out of it for their personal benefit. Because if the whole day goes on without not putting too much, rules or regulation or stress on the issue called verification of face with the voter ID, then after a midday, we all know in Hyderabad, after 2:30, they'll have series of people coming in those burqas so that, they can vote. Whoever can come, they can walk in and they can vote and go. And this is what the bogus voting happens. Now, because we have made it a point that there cannot be discrimination. Now, if you are not checking somebody's face ID and letting them vote, then are you not discriminating people or showing the face? Then somebody will say, भाई हम लोगों को राम जी का एक व्रत पकड़े हुए हम लोग, राम जी का मास्क पहनेंगे, हम निकालेंगे नहीं, हम वोट डालेंगे. कोई बोलेगा हनुमान जी का व्रत पे है, हनुमान जी का मास्क पहनेंगे, ये रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट है, कैसा निकालेंगे आप हमारा मास्क? We will put a vote. Now somebody else will come. We are into Durga Mata's vrat. We'll put Durga Mata mask. We will not remove. Election is not a religious thing. Election is a national democratic process.
So the BJP is saying that there's nothing religious about it, accusing the AIMIM of trying to inject religion into it. On that note, we're slipping into a quick break here. We'll be right back with the top headlines. Stay with us.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.